எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good morning and good day to everyone and namaste. I am Dr. Karpagam Krishnamurthy and I have started a playlist called as the Snippets for Heal Thai Living or Healthy Living. You can read it eitherwise as Healthy or Heal Thai. With so much of experience by losing weight and maintaining it for the past 10 to 15 years, I learned so many things and so many small basic things which can be changed leading to a healthy lifestyle. Out of those experience, I am sharing few as topics so that it can benefit you for having a healthy lifestyle. I am going to talk about water, the cleanser. Whenever we go out and come, it is mandatory these days to wash our hands, so why not cleansing our body? Water forms 60 to 70% of the component in our body, of the body weight. That is, it is an important component of blood, important component that is goes out as sweat. We respire, the conditioning of air inside, that is whatever we inspire and expire, that also need water as component, and we urinate. Whenever we check the color of the urine, whether it is dark yellow, pale yellow or normal yellow or transparent, that tells how much we are hydrated. The less yellow, your hydration is kind of okay, and if it is transparent, you are absolutely hydrated properly. So how will you know what amount of water do you need per day? Divide the body weight by 20 and the resultant value is the number of liters of water you have to consume. Say for example 60 kgs and divided it by 20. So you get 3. 3 liters of water is needed for the body. When all you can have water, the best time, as soon as you wake up from the bed, brush your teeth and have a glass of water. It will activate your metabolism. Before food, 15 to 20 minutes before food, if you have a glass of water, it will help you in better digestion of the food intake. And number 3, before exercise. Exercise needs lots of water. As you sweat, perspire, we need so much of water to keep us hydrated. So before exercise, a glass of water. And before going to bed, in order to calm down your exhausted body, which has been exhausted throughout the day, have a sip of water. Now, how will you remind yourself to have water on a regular basis? We visit kitchen often, we go to the bedroom and we watch TV and we see the dining table much often to grab something else. Yes, so what you do is have a glass of water or a small water bottle in all these 4 common places where you visit often. Whenever we go out and get back to house, washing our hands become very much mandatory. So cleansing our own body is also mandatory. So keep yourself hydrated. Whenever we have these 3 problems, gastritis, ulcer and urinary tract infection, doctor asks us to have plenty of fluids. You can have it as fruit juices, water, tender coconut, and then have as a lime water with salt. Electrolytes are also mandatory. And then you can in fact pinch and put pudina leaves, that is the mint leaves, coriander leaves, a little of ajwain or jeera according to your comfort. That's what I would say. But water, finally, that is the ultimate detox. Adding all these composition is up to you. So we can follow any one of these, and having fruits and vegetables rich in water content like apple, tomatoes, watermelon, which is very popular among summer season, and many of us grab watermelon wherever we see. So watermelon, cucumber, these all have as a fruit or vegetable rather than making it as a juice. Have it as a salad form or anything, and then have a glass of water to add the hydration. What all benefits water can bring to our body? It keeps our mind sharp. Whenever we get exhausted with work, have a sip of water. It helps the muscle to get toned properly as we do some exercise, and adds a glow to the skin. As your muscle gets tightened with proper water, the skin glows. You sweat, all the toxins are getting out. So you're becoming pure, the body is becoming pure, removing all the impurities, and that also adds to the fact that the skin will glow. The more immunity by removing the toxins from your body, the more you are away from diseases and cancer. So all these things are very, very beneficial by keeping yourself hydrated. Don't ever be exhausted and don't be careless about your water intake. This is one of the factor which helped me during my weight loss journey to have a proper balance in my strength and workout, and not to get tired and exhausted or land up in muscle cramps. So muscle needs so much of water, and please give respect to the important component in our body, that is the water. Water is the cleanser. It helps us to cleanse our body, and by that it cleanses our mind with so much of negative thoughts, is what I experienced. So kindly like my video. If in case you find it beneficial, share it among with your friends, because healthy living and the power of positive vibes is much wanted during this pandemic time. Thank you so much for all the subscribers who have supported me. Drop your comments and valuable suggestions. I will go through it and try to improve my channel much better and beneficial. See you all in another snippet. Take care and stay safe. Bye bye.